Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. It's Tony here, favorite Eastern European YouTuber. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Duo Pro. And in case you're wondering, man, why are you dealing with this phone right now? Considering that the Surface Duo 2 is just around the corner. Well, simply because this phone I've paid $400 for it, guys, which is not even half price. I mean, it's less than half price. Over here in the UK is almost £700. So if you wanna know how to get it cheaper and get it unlocked, follow me on, well, my YouTube channel as well as TikTok. I just started the TikTok, guys. Let's see what happens over there. So as you can see, I've got a brand new sealed unit, locked to AT&T, which I unlocked within just 3 days. Again, if you're interested in unlocking this device quickly and efficiently, again, you're gonna have to follow me either here or on the TikTok. So I'm gonna use my trusted blade over here to take this wrapping off and see what's going on really. Now I'm going to talk about the specifications first, which is going to happen right now simply because they don't have anything listed over there. So I'm gonna put this one on the side and list the specifications on the right over here. So this device was released on this September 10th, 2020, pretty much, guys. It rocks the Snapdragon 855. It has two screens, each one of them 5.6-inch 4:3 aspect ratio AMOLED screens. The resolution is, well, kind of 1080p, 1350 by 1800 pretty much. There are two versions of this device, 128 or 256 version with just 6 gigs of RAM, guys, which for a multitasking device like that is really not enough in my opinion. Only one 11 megapixel main camera, which might be a little bit problematic, and the battery is 3577 milliamp hours with slow charging 18 watts. I have no idea what they were thinking over there with this small battery and slow charging, but hey ho. And finally 250 grams, which makes this device more heavy than any other phone out there, guys. I keep saying phone because essentially that is a phone, guys. This is not a tablet. I just got rid of the Motorola Razr 5G, by the way, which is a proper foldable. I really don't get the concept of the foldables, but this thing is a little bit different, guys. I had the Kyocera Echo back in the day. I had the Axon M. I had most of the foldables, and I couldn't find a purpose really, but there are some people out there who find this device good for multitasking and other activities. I'm just gonna leave it on the side just for a sec over here and see what's going on. Surface Duo bumper, specially designed to protect your device. Where is it? Attach the Surface Duo bumper. Let's have a look, guys. Okay, we've got a Surface Duo bumper over here, which yeah, it's a little bit horrible, to be honest with you. Let's see the other part of the, oh my god, I mean, what is going on over here, guys? What, look at that. Anyways, I'm really not interested in installing this right now, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna check it over there. So we've got a charger over here, I can imagine. At least that's what this symbol indicates. But again, 18-watt charger. Man, I remember the Motorola turbo charging from like 2015 was, 18 watts. And when people talk about bricks, check this out, guys. This one is a proper brick and indeed 18 watts. Oh my god. 18 watts, I'm gonna tell you what that means. That means 2 hours of recharge times, which is a no-go in this day and age. But anyways, SIM pin 2 over here, that is all right. And what else do we get? We get the how do I take this one off? A cable. Can you imagine? Over here we're gonna get a cable. Looks kind of long, to be honest with you. That's all right, but otherwise pretty generic cable. I expected it to be white for some reason, but anyways. And now the device itself, guys, check this out. Oh my god, it feels like some sort of a mini computer, to be honest with you. It definitely doesn't look like a phone, doesn't look like, I don't know what it is, guys. I don't know what it is. But one thing, you should be very, very careful with this device, because the number of people with cracked glasses over here, and what is that on the Microsoft logo? Okay, I removed it. and check this out. The number of people with cracked glasses is absolutely unbelievable, guys. And again, the number of people just holding this device in their pocket and just having a cracked screen is absolutely enormous. So let me see what's going on over here. Okay, so this thing doesn't really click anywhere in between. That's my first impression. And apparently, oh my god, I mean, it feels so fragile, guys, and it's crazy. Oh my god, it reminds me of the BlackBerry Passport, by the way. Like, give me 1 second to pull up the BlackBerry Passport, okay? Oh my god, guys, the throwback is real over here. I mean, check this out. It's just a little bit bigger than the BlackBerry Passport, and it's just pretty much the same size. So yeah, by the way, the BlackBerry Passport, have a look at that. Because of the sticky coating, I'm gonna have a hard time removing this. But anyways, so yeah, I mean, guys, that is nice. To be honest with you, this is nice. I really didn't expect that. I expected it to be bigger, but it's kind of not that bad, honestly. And it's very sleek, guys. It is very, very nice. I honestly didn't know what to expect. There is no clicks, there is no cringes like the Motorola hinge. I mean, that stainless steel or something like that over here, it's really premium device, guys. And to be honest with you, I like the white paint job over here on the sides. Power button is here, volume buttons over here. I really have no idea why they don't have a small screen over here. They could have done a hidden screen or something like that for notifications. They didn't. The USB Type-C port is at the bottom, and of course there is no 3.5mm jack because each one of the sides feels quite you know, thin. So actually you can kind of use it like that, do some other things. I can imagine that there could be a keyboard over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me just power this baby on and see what's going on. It came out to the other screen. That's funky. That's funky. I thought that that's the main screen. That probably is the other way around. But oh, okay, we've got the Android over here. But man, I mean, let me get rid of that BlackBerry. Let me see what's going on over here, guys. Okay, just for the record, I'm not going to set up this device now because I have to input my unlock code first when I set it up, when I put my SIM in. But man, that looks nice. That looks nice. Let me see at what point does the screen shut. Are they still on? Oh yeah, they're finally off. So all the way back, they're finally off, guys. So man, this feels very solid, but again, you really have to be very careful with this device, guys. And you know, some other thing, these are some sharp edges over here, as you can see. So when you put them in your pocket, just pay attention, because I had a phone, I think it was the Yota phone. Yes, I was using one of the bigger phones, the what was the name, Honor 8 Max or something like that. Honor Note 8, exactly, Honor Note 8, a huge phone. It dig a hole in my pocket, and I didn't realize, and when I put my Yota phone in my pocket, within just a few hours, it went down my trousers pretty much, and it came out at the bottom of my trousers, and I actually, you know, kick it down, and I mean, it was a mess. I broke the screen. So make sure you've got a new strong pockets with this one, because this is going to dig a hole in your pocket, and I'm really not interested in the bumper case. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Adios.